Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to download the Prime Video app on your Android device. Whether you're ready to binge watch your favorite shows or discover new movies, this guide will help you get started in no time. So let's jump in. Open the Play Store app on your Android and make sure you're logged into your account. By opening the Play Store app on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see a search option that you'll click on. Then when the app opens the next page, type Prime Video in the search field and click on the search engine. When the new page opens, scroll down to the Prime Video app and click on it. By clicking on Prime Video, the next page will open where you'll scroll down to the Install option and click on it. Wait for the installation to complete. The installation process may take a few seconds to a minute, depending on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, your Android security system will thoroughly check the app and automatically open it. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded the Prime Video app on your Android device. Now you are ready to explore the world of amazing movies, TV shows, and exclusive content. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.